we utilize a VAI software to run both distribution and manufacturing in through one warehouse here in Portland, Oregon. We run MRP on our manufacturing side to cut our manufacturing work orders to our production floor. That's ran a couple of times a week. That allows the planner to consolidate orders that are entered into our customer side to be able to consolidate orders so that they can efficiently cut manufacturing work orders to the production floor. Once the manufacturing work orders are released to the production floor, the manufacturing work orders contain the routing steps and the list of bill of material to go with that order. When the assemblers receive the manufacturing work order, they go on to S2K. We utilize data collection on our operating system. The data collection, they log into their routing steps, and we're able to capture the actual times. Since we use standard cost and standards are in our routes, we measure the actual times out of data collection to our standard cost for efficiencies as well as capacity planning. So within the actual item entry of that item that they're building, they're able to access drawings, work instructions, additional bill of material information right there at their fingertips without exiting the S2K module.